Okay, so first we assess the posture. So we've got a high shoulder and shoulder rotation. And he's got some forward head posture coming this way. Okay, good. So let's get on the table and lie face down, and we'll get started. Okay. So without bending your knee, I'm going to have you raise one leg at a time as high as you can. Okay, and then the other one. Okay, so as you can see, the left one, did the left one feel harder to lift? Okay. The next test we're going to do is the flexion test. So we're going to bring the heel to the buttock. Okay, and as you can see, he's much easier on this side than he is on this side. So what we're going to be doing is adjusting his left SI joint. Good. Wow. Did you hear that? Yeah. Okay. All righty. Let's recheck. Raise your right leg now as high as you can. Good. Left. Good. Was that better?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Good. And now let's do the flexion test. Okay, good. Does that feel easier?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, so now his pelvis and lower back are all in adjustment. Next, I'm going to have his turn his head to the sides and see which side feels more difficult. So turn right and turn left.
Oh, definitely this side.
The left side's harder?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to have you slide down just a little bit. Good. And just using a very light drop, we're just going to go this way and this way. Good. Back to center. All right. Nice. Feel that one?
Yeah.
That feel good?
Yeah.
Turn your head again. Good. And then left. Is that a little easier?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now back to center. Chin up. This is the forward head posture. Bringing the head back. You can see how gentle the adjustment is just using the drop. Doesn't require a lot of force. Okay, and then I'm going to have you turn over on your back, please. Good. Next, we're going to be doing the leg pull. Just relax. Good. And just relax. Good. All righty. Then I'd like you to sit up. Have a seat here on the end. Good. We're going to cross your arms like so. And tuck your head down. Blow all your air out. Wow. That was good. All right. Then we're just going to check your wrists and elbow.
Ooh.
That feel good?
Yeah.
Good. And then this one. Relax. Wow. Okay. And then today we're going to do also a Y-strap adjustment, which is an optional adjustment. We don't do that on all patients, but it's a spinal decompression maneuver. And we have another video on our site that demonstrates the Y-strap. Good. So head down. And you'll want to hold your legs towards your butt. Just kind of pull them down towards your back. And we're just going to give a little light stretch here. Good. And then just a pull. Good.
Ooh.
Nice. What'd you feel?
I felt that like right up in my...
Right in the neck there?
Yeah.
Good. Let your head down. Now just breathe and take a nice... Good. How do you feel? Better.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, you can go ahead and sit up and swing around and face this way. All right, and that was a demonstration of a typical adjustment. at Monitto Chiropractic.